The school blog is a very useful general news feed that goes out to all members of your school community, parents, students and teachers. New posts in your school blog will be highlighted here in quick links and also in the What's New icon on the left-hand menu. For users of the enhanced dashboard, any new posts will also be bright yellow. For those using the button layout, any new posts will be highlighted by a star. In addition to this, to improve readership by parents, you can also set up a notification to go out to parents every time a new school blog post is created. So let's see how to write a school blog post. You can either click on Blogs in quick links and then click on School News and write a new post. Or alternatively, you can just click on the header of the school blog and you're ready to write a new post straight away. Click here to create your new post, give it a title, and then write the main part of your blog post. Because you have the full editor, you can make this post rich with multimedia, including pictures, links, and videos. And you can also attach files. So for example, if you have a PDF of a school newsletter, you can attach it here and it will be visible to the whole school community. Once you've added your content to the page, scroll down and you can tick to allow students to comment. And if you do allow students to comment, you probably want to tick the next one, which is that comments must be moderated. You can also tick to allow parents to comment. You can edit the preview text if you want particular text to appear in the list, and you can set an expiry date for this post if it's something that you're not likely to want to keep for the long term, and then say continue. So here's my new school blog post in the list, and you can see that it's marked because it hasn't yet been opened by me. Similarly, it's marked as new in blogs, and you can see in this left What's New menu that something's new, as well as being yellow in the school blog post list. Initially, it's only the admin login that can create school blog posts, but you can come into here, click on Editors, and you can search the list of school staff for anyone who might have the role of adding posts to the school blog. Just click Add Selected, and that person will now appear in the list of editors and will be able to create new blog posts. So that's how to write a school blog post on Fusion.